Practice how to protect yourself if an earthquake happens when no table or desk is nearby. Drop, cover, and hold. When you feel shaking, immediately drop down onto your hands and knees. An earthquake is less likely to knock you over in this position, and you're a smaller target for anything falling or flying. Then cover your head with your arms, clasp your hands around your neck, and bend over to protect your vital organs. If no table or desk is nearby for shelter, keep one arm over your head as you crawl against nearby low furniture or an interior wall. Finally, hold on by protecting your head and neck with your other arm. Remain on your knees and bent over. Close your eyes and mouth to protect against dust and debris. Remain in this position until the shaking stops. After the shaking is over, wait a moment and check your surroundings before getting up. Visit www.happens.nz to find out what to do before, during, and after an earthquake.